Hey guys, Anthony here with a review on VideoCreator, a cloud-based video creation app with which you can create different types of videos using professionally designed, pre-made or done-for-you video templates. You can create short logo reveals, live action and motion tracking videos, promotional videos, e-commerce videos, scroll stoppers, video ads, Facebook cover videos, and many other types of videos. The VideoCreator app itself is very easy to use. You start by choosing a template, customize it, and finally render the MP4 video. Let me demo a quick video project. So I'm logged into my VideoCreator account. Click on Create Video to get started. You'll see different types of templates organized in various categories. I'll use the search box to look for summer and click Search. There are several templates here. Let me scroll down. I'll choose this one. I'll click on the Quick Preview button and then use this template. I'll click this button. So here's where we customize the template. First, we need to upload an image. Let me scroll down and click this Add Image button. You can upload your own images or use the royalty-free image options. I'll choose this one and click Select. So here is the image. I'll click Next. Here you need to enter your text. So I went ahead and edited the text. Click Next. Here you can change the colors. I'll leave them as default and click Proceed. And click Proceed again. It'll render your video. This is the one, and then you can download it. The videos I created rendered fairly quickly, in most cases between 2 to 10 minutes, though some video renders can take a little longer. You'll find several tutorials in which I show you how to create different types of videos using this video app. If you're into video creation, I would definitely recommend adding VideoCreator to your video toolbox. During the launch period, you can get VideoCreator at a special one-time price. Also, you'll get several bonuses during the launch period, so grab it before the launch ends. Check the link in the description section. Apart from the front-end basic version, there are a few optional upgrades which provide more features. I would recommend getting the first deluxe upgrade, which gives you an agency account for up to 5 people. You can render up to 1080p resolution videos. Render multiple videos, up to 6 renders at a time. You'll get 200 additional templates immediately, as well as 20 new templates each month for a year. And all this for a one-time price during the launch period. Well, hope you found this VideoCreator review helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.